Good morning, everyone. IGNU has immense possibilities for 12th pass student. IGNU is India's most famous and renowned central university for online learning and open and distance learning. Admission forms are filled twice a year in Indira Gandhi National Open University IGNU, first for January session and second for July session. Giving information, IGNU spokesperson said that IGNU is the most suitable university for those who want to take skill-based and knowledge-based education. IGNU's objective is to provide equal opportunities for upliftment to the students by increasing their knowledge. IGNU is working to provide quality higher education to the students of remote areas and villages. Such students who cannot go to regular colleges and universities due to any reason, such students can easily study from IGNU and get a degree. Job candidates can also easily continue their higher education through distance education and take admission in any course of IGNU. The method of studying in IGNU is quite different from other universities. Classroom teaching method is not used in this university. Education here is done through the system of self-learning study material, counseling sessions, face-to-face and teleconferencing. IGNU has immense possibilities for students who have recently passed 12th class. Such students can pursue Bachelor of Arts, BSc, Bachelor of Commerce, BCom, Bachelor of Commerce in Accountancy and Finance, BCom A and F, Bachelor of Science, BSc, Bachelor of Computer Applications, BCA, Bachelor of Library Science, BLIS, Bachelor of Arts in Tourism Studies, BTS, Bachelor of Social Work, BSW from IGNU. Apart from this, students can also take admission in Bachelor of Arts, honors in Economics, History, Political Science, Psychology, Public Administration, Sociology, English, etc. You can take admission in various types of certificate, diploma, postgraduate diploma and post-graduation courses from IGNU. The list and information of all the courses of IGNU is available on the website of IGNU. Matra Shakti Udmita Yojana is effective in making women empowered and self-reliant. Women will become self-reliant with Matra Shakti Udmita Yojana. The state government is running various types of welfare schemes to make women empowered, self-reliant and self-sufficient, through which women are provided financial assistance and assistance in setting up self-employment. Deputy Commissioner Munish Sharma said that the Haryana government has started the Haryana Matra Shakti Udmita Yojana in the direction of women empowerment. The benefit of this scheme will be provided to women only if their family income is 5 lakhs and less. Along with this, the age of the women should be between 18 to 60 years, and she should not be the defaulter in any previous loan case. It is the mandatory for the women to be a residents of Haryana. This scheme will prove to be very effective in making women empowered and self-reliant, and will also improve their standard of living. Through the scheme, loans up to 3 lakhs are made available to women at a discount of 7% interest rate. Through this loan, women will be able to establish self-employment and provide employment to other citizens as well as. He said that for information related to the scheme, you can contact the Office of Haryana Mahila Vikas Nigam. नमस्कार, आदाब, सत श्री अकाल, टेक केयर।